Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lindsborg, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move takes you over 50 miles away from your current location. We can operate within the cross state borders because we have done all the necessary registration with the authorities in charge of relocation. We have valid licenses to move your belongings over long distances, so we experience no issues. Also, we have fantastic insurance plans in place to protect your items during the entire period of the move. We train all of our staff, from our customer agents to movers and drivers. Expect top-notch professionalism and our expertise when you hire our services. Local relocations happen over a distance of fewer than 50 miles. Although the space is lesser when compared to long-distance moves, you also need to make proper plans and hire efficient movers. You don't have to look too far to get competent movers. 3 Movers has the best local movers in Lindsborg. Our services are punctual, reliable, and efficient. Our team's always ready to help you move your belongings. We also offer cheap rates for local moves. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lindsborg moving business offers extra services for which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.